Hi there! Welcome to Seametal channel again. Nice seeing you. And when you drive, and you may put your purse on the passenger seat, or sometimes you just put your small items on the passenger seat too. But it will be very dangerous when you use the car brake. Everything can be fall off to the floor, so it will bring so much inconvenience to you. And today, I'd like to introduce you a car handbag holder to help you organize your car small items or find a place for your purse to stay. And so let's take a look at this product. The serial number is C40696 and -U. It can help you easily find it in seametalco.com. Okay, let's take a look at it closely. You know, it is made of very soft cloth, velvet. When you touch it, it's very soft and comfortable. And this side you see with many shining rhinestones on it, and it could be ladies' best choice. And this one is designed for lady, but all drivers are deserved to have it, and it can be a very nice decoration in your car. And this one doesn't take any space in your car, but help you to organize your items and makes your car tidy, neat and beautiful. Okay, and let me show you. I will put some purse or other stuff into that. You know, I can put a purse. You see, it has got a lot of space inside. And you see, I put many stuffs into that, but still has some extra space, and even you can put more items here. Okay, and this car bag holder has something different from what I introduced before. You know, you see this too is a new design, and it's with climbing buttons and very durable, the buttons, and you can just fix it with the driver and the passenger seat. And on the bottom there are two, you know, elastic belts, easy to fix on your car seats. And there is another option if your armrest box is with front open, and you can use this belt to install. And if not, you just use these two belts. Okay, the whole thing looks nice and beautiful, and we'll spend some minutes in the car show you how to fix it and how it looks like later. Okay, now let's go. Hello everyone, we are in the car now. I will show you how to fix this rhinestone bling car bag holder in the car. Okay, first, okay, this climbing button here, and on the driver's passenger side, okay, and this one easy to hook. Okay, and you see, it's suitable for most cars, you know, with this design. And we'll show you how this Bling car bag holder works. You see, there are a lot of stuff on the passenger seat, and it's dangerous when I use a car brake. So today I will show you how they will be safe to stay in the bag holder. Okay, first let me put my purse into that. Okay, then I can put other stuff and my water bottle and my mobile phone and even tissue paper. Okay, and when I need to use tissue paper, I can get it easily. And this car bag holder is universal for all models of cars, and so you can buy it and without any worry. Okay everyone, if you like my introduction, please support us. Like, comment or subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, I'm sure you will learn more Seametal products. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.